Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we will see rule 3 of inheritance. So what is rule 3? Rule 3 is rule 3 is hierarchical inheritance. So what is hierarchical inheritance? In hierarchical inheritance, we have one parent and three child, means more than one child. This is parent, that is demo 1, and child, one child, two child, three child. This is demo 2. So hierarchical inheritance is that one parent having three child. This demo 2 is extending to demo 1. This demo 3 extends demo 1. This demo 4 extend demo 1. So the parent is 1 and the child is 3, means one parent and more than one child is called as hierarchical inheritance. Now we will see with the code. So here we will take a class. The class name is Hierarchical Inheritance. Class A, inside that method A. Now child class B extends A. So these are the three methods. Class method A, method B, method C. Class A is parent and class B is child. and class C is also child. So there is extending A, extend A. So A is parent, that is one parent and two children. Okay. So now here we'll make a object, make a object of B. And then make a object for C. Now we will call B dot method A. Again C dot method A. Okay, now I will run. See here. So this is B, class B, that is child class. We are making an object of B and calling a method A. But see, method A is not present in child class, but then also we are able to print method A. That is method of class A. That is method A. Why? Because there is a parent-child relationship. Then this method A is inherited to class B, that is child class. We can't see that. This method is A is inherited in class B, so that's why we are able to print this method of class A. Like in the same way, we are making an object of C and we are calling method A, and we are printing method of class A. So why we are able to print this method A? Because C has a relationship with A. That is, C is child of A. That's why we are able to print this method of class A. Now we print C dot method B. Okay, that is this method B. Why there is a error? Because we are not able to call this method B, because between B and C there is no relationship. There is no relationship of parent and child. That's why when we are making a object of C and want to call this method B, then we are not able to call this, because between B and C there is no parent-child relationship. Okay. So if there is a parent-child relationship, then the method of parent, we can call it from the child. Okay. So this is hierarchical inheritance. So three rule we have learned, that is single inheritance is permitted, multi-level inheritance is permitted, and hierarchical inheritance is permitted. So thank you.